Running program.
Robot test 1.
Forward. Ha!
Stop it. Back.
Ha!
Yes. Now see if you can get it through the door and turn left.
Oops.
See what our response time is like.
It's pretty quick.
Alright, go.
That was the wrong direction. That was rotating to its right, and I hit left. So, well, that could be my code. That could be the code. Let's not worry about that.
Well, I guess right versus left is not a very good indicator. We should do clockwise, counterclockwise.
That's a good point, yeah.
Okay, so forward.
That's backwards, actually.
Well, it's because we've rotated. Yeah. Okay, so now we're back at forwards. The turning is hard.
It's not terrible, but yes, but the way we have it, the way I configured the code to control it, yes, it is. Ideally, we'd have it so you could just press forward and then start turning at the same time, rather than having to differentiate between the two.
Okay.
What? Oh, I hit a couple controls all at the same time, that's why.
What's it doing?
I hit a couple buttons all at the same time. Holy crap.
It's working.
Now time it just right. Nope. Cannot time it just right. I still can. There we go. Oh, cool.
Very nice.
Moves quick. A little quicker than I expected it to, too. As well. Do you want to switch?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, WASD. So W is forward, S is back. A is
What's stop?
space. So you have to press something and then press enter to make it do it. So press space and then press, yeah, like that.
Okay.
Holy crap. So then do like an A and then hit enter to do spin. So you can turn around if you want. There you go.
Okay. You gotta be kind of quick on the turns.
Yeah, it is. It is.
No, I'm facing forward. W's forward.
Yep. You can hear you can hear the switches.
Yeah.
You can hear the relay switch.
W.
And then enter. Very nice.
Yeah, it does go opposite of what we'd expect.
Yeah. But that's easy to change in the motor.c. Just need to swap the high-low values. Oh, you hit the wall. It didn't die though, I think. Can you still control it? Yep, cool. It has some crash safety.
Now we're talking.
There we go, we can qualify for, what's the standard that was advertised in the car commercials? 5-star crash safety test rating.
Yeah. Which way am I facing?
Towards your computer. So you want to hit left a little bit. Or A a little bit, the other way. But
Which way am I facing? Okay, now I'm facing. I need to go a little bit farther.
yep. I think it's easiest to like get the next command queued. Still facing bookshelf again. You get to get the next command queued, but then press enter later when you're ready. Nice. Just hit stop. Just stop. Okay. Do forward, but then stop again, real fast.
Really?
No, actually turn to your do a count clockwise turn.
Which is A, right?
I think so. Yes. Yeah. Oh, then now do backwards. That was backwards. Now, oh, there you go. Go forward. Stop. And do clockwise. That's backwards.
It's so hard to
I know.
get the. Can we? Oh, you were looking into that.
Yeah, and for it to be really hard to unbuffer it over SSH.
W.
So, when we actually make like a actual interface program, like web server, we'd have to just have it turn on and off while it's pressed. So that'll be easier because you can actually do is key pressed, is key released code. There you go. It's working a lot better than I expected too. Careful.
This is pretty fun.
I know, right?
All right, we gotta work.